BMW's i8 M60 blends German engineering with electric luxury, around 610 horsepower, 0-60 in 3.6 seconds, and 280-300 miles range, lounge comfort, eco-conscious materials, and immersive sound, a redefinition of BMW luxury for the electric era. Volvo's EX90 focuses on safety, sustainability, and family comfort. About 496 horsepower, 300 miles range, and LiDAR-backed autonomy. Minimalist Scandinavian interiors use recycled and sustainable materials, a safe, eco-forward flagship SUV option. Maserati's Grecale Folgore brings Italian design and sporty EV performance. About 590 horsepower, 300 miles range, sharp handling and Italian craftsmanship. A thrilling blend of performance and luxury heritage, distinctive styling for enthusiasts who want excitement and elegance. The Cadillac Lyriq brings American elegance to the electric SUV field, around 500 horsepower AWD, 312 miles range, and Super Cruise hands-free driving. Futuristic design meets autonomous driving tech and premium comfort, an American take on modern luxury EV SUVs. From pure speed to safety and design, these models define luxury EVs in 2025. Let's look at the key features shaping this segment.